Good morning students. My name is Balji Singh and today we are going to start our IT class. First of all, the topic of the day is mail merge. What is mail merge? Mail merge is the advanced feature of the MS Word which allow you to create a batch of documents that are personalized for each recipient. For example, a form letter might be personalized to address each recipient by name. It means if we have one document and we want to send it to different recipients, then that can be done with the mail merge. For example, if there is a company and the company has 100 and 1000 of employees, and if we want to send a letter to each of the employee, and we with the help of mail merge we can send that one letter with the different address. That is, we can address the same letter to the different recipients. Now we will see how to create mail merge or how to create a letter or a document with the help of mail merge. For this, open your MS Word and under the mailing tab, we have Start Mail Merge option. When you click here, a drop down menu will open. And the last option is Step by Step Mail Merge Wizard. So with the help of this option, we can create a mail merge very easily. Wizard is the inbuilt feature of the application or the software which guides you how to proceed further. So we will create a mail merge with the mail merge wizard. When you click here on the right side, select a mail merge pane will open. From there, select the first option, letter, because we are going to create a letter with the help of mail merge. So, write a letter as I have written here and leave the blanks where you want to insert the fields. And on the right side, select the first option, use the current document. Now, when you proceed further, there is a next option, select recipients. Select the recipient. From there, we will select the list of the recipient. If we already have a list of recipient, then we will select use an existing list. Otherwise, we can create a new list of recipients. Here, we are going to go with a new list. For this, click on the create button. When you click on the create, so this window will open. So there are number of fields in which you need to provide the data for the recipients. For example, here we have title, first name, last name, school name, address, city, and so on. You can customize these fields from here. Customize columns. We can increase or decrease the number of columns from these options. Fill the data in these fields and click on the OK button. When you click on the OK button, it will ask you to save that list of recipients. By default, your list of recipients will be saved in the My Data Sources. So here, give the name of the file and save it. Now you can see I have saved my contact list with the name contact list. once we have created our contact list, then we need to select the contact list which we are using in our current mail merge. For this, click on select a different list on the right hand side. So with this, all data sources folder will open. From this, select the list which you want to use in your current mail merge and click on the OK button. So here we have all the fields which have inserted in our contact list. So one by one, select these fields and click on the insert button. Keep in mind, select the cursor at the appropriate place where you want to insert the fields, and after every field, click on the insert button so that these fields get merged in your current document, which is our letter in our this case. Now you can see I have inserted the fields here: title, first name, last name, because we want the name in a single line with its title, first name and last name. So we have inserted all the three fields in a single line. Then press the enter button and insert a different field. For example, on the second line we have the school name, and in the third line I have inserted address line and the city and state and zip code in the last line. After inserting all the fields, click on the close button. After that, you can preview your letter. So click on the second last option, preview your letter, to see your merged letter. So when you click on the preview, you can see here all the context fields which we have inserted. They have taken the data from the contact list which we have created earlier. In the first letter, we are addressing the letter to a different recipient. For example, here in this case, Dr. Saroj Chauhan, SBS Model High School, Sadarpur. And if we want to see the next letter, the main body of the letter will remain the same, but the recipient will get changed. So click on the arrow. You can see that now the same letter has been addressed to the different recipients. So in this way, you can address a letter to different recipients while using a suitable contact list. I hope now you have learned this, how to create a mail merge. Once your letter is complete, you can click on finish and merge. From there, you can take the print off of the individual letter, or you can mail these letters. Previewing your current letter, click on finish and merge. From there, you can take the print off of the different letters and you can mail these letters also. I hope now you have learned how to create a mail merge. If not, watch the video once again, or if still you have any query, please send me your query on my WhatsApp number. Thank you very much. Stay inside, stay safe. Thank you.